Hey everyone, Chris here. Welcome back to the channel on this chilly November afternoon. Just going to do a quick little video for you. This time it's not going to be about my truck, but my mother-in-law's 2015 Honda CRV. So what we're going to do today, she took it down for an oil change, and when you go to Jiffy Lube, they always try to upsell you on changing the air filters, cabin, and the one in the engine. And they're so overpriced, and I told her, don't waste your money, just buy the filters yourself and we'll throw them in together. And since I'm going to be doing that, I figured let's make a video. All right, the latch for the hood is down here. Right, and it's up. And we're going to be safe and secure it in place. Go right here. There we go. Here is the new air filter she picked up from CarQuest, part number R524493. The air filter is located right next to the battery, and we're going to unfasten these clips here, and there's one, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but there's one back here as well. And just pop this open. Reach in and grab the air filter. As you can see, this definitely needs replacing. What the hell? So I'm not entirely sure how on earth this happened, but the air filter compartment, as you can see, is full of acorns. I'm going to empty this out as well as I can. Go inside and see if I get a handheld vacuum or something. This is a closed compartment, so I really just don't understand, first off, how they got in there, and then secondly, if Jiffy Lube was already in here once looking at the filter, why they didn't say anything about it. You need a bigger extension. There you go, nice and clean. These only fit in one way, so there's no need to worry about putting it back in incorrectly. You're just going to watch out for these clips. They're going to get in the way on you. Alright, once you have the air filter in there nice and snug, we can go ahead and put the cover back on and then re-clip it in place. And don't forget this one here on the side. Alright, so let's go ahead and move on into the cabin, and we're going to change the cabin air filter. Part number on this one is C35519. Now the cabin air filter is actually located behind the glove box. So the first thing we do is we empty out the glove box. We come over here, you can see there's this latch on this side. I'm just gonna unsnap that by pushing down. And then on either side of the glove box, these two sides here, we're just gonna push them in slightly, and then we'll be able to bring the entire glove box down. All right, so first we're gonna do is take off the filter cover right here. That just clips right off. Then we can remove the air filter. As you can see, this is also extremely dirty, and again, acorns. So this vehicle was purchased used. I'm not sure if the previous owner had an issue with critters living inside the vehicle. So future Chris here. I just wanted to pop in real quick mid-video just to let you know that I may have jumped to conclusions prematurely. So part of the upsell process at Jiffy Lube is they actually pull those filters out and show them to you. So in that process, if there were acorns stuck in the filters, it would have been pretty obvious when they were displayed. So I am guessing this actually happened after the fact. So my mother-in-law went in for an oil change, say a couple weeks ago. The filters were clean. And then just now, as I was replacing them for her, acorns all over the place. I mean, I'm not really a car guy, so I don't know exactly how those acorns all got in there. Is the compartment open somewhere that a creature could have gotten in? I am not sure. If you have any idea how that may have happened, I'm definitely curious, so by all means let me know in the comments. But that being said, on with the video. Put the new filter in, and the filter has these arrows on it that tell you basically this side down. Okay, so once you have the filter in there, it's just a matter of clipping the cover back on. With the air filter in place, we can just go ahead and put the glove compartment back in place. We're just gonna lift that up, and that will clip, and we'll come back here to this latch on the side, and we're gonna clip that back in place, and there you go. So it looks like we finished up just in time. Didn't know it was supposed to snow today, but some of the snowflakes are starting to come down. But there you have it, 2015 Honda CRV, air filter, cabin air filter replacements. If you have any questions at all, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you wouldn't mind so terribly, if you can hit that thumbs up button, definitely be appreciated. And until the next one, we'll see you later.